Hello friends, welcome to my another video. Today I will show you how to do the repetitive task using the RPA UiPath. So let's begin the class. First of all, I discussed to my today's session. Actually, I want to download a online English book, but this online book restriction is very high. So if I want to download from this website, so I have to download by clicking page by page. So let's do the download process using our UiPath RPA process. This is our target website, and this website restriction is very high. So if you want to download from this website, you have to click page by page. So let's start our today's project. Don't worry, I will share the source code in the description. Thanks, our project process successfully completed. Kindly attention on the repeat number. I use 10 repeated number. So process has been recursive 10 times. So thank you all of you guys. I'm coming soon with another new video. Thank you.
Thanks for watching this video. If you enjoyed it, then kindly subscribe to my channel, and hit the bell icon for getting more update. Thank you, have a nice day.